Hetepu. Peace and blessings to all from Divine Peace Meditation and Yoga. It's Mindful Monday. This is Mama Imani. Got a couple of things going on. At the same time that I purchased the strawberry basket, I also purchased 2 small mint plants. I've harvested some of the mint leaves, dried them a bit, and placed them in this pitcher of boiling water, trying to make my own mint tea. I'm also batch cooking some chicken thighs for lunch/dinner later. I've got a whole lot of red apples. We're not eating fast enough, so it's time to make pies and applesauce. That's what I got going on. Hopefully, people will be able to support my gentle yoga classes at Norfolk Senior Center. Please call 757-625-5857 and let the people in the office know you would like to register for one of my classes this month. Otherwise, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay blessed. Media. Much love. Blessed be.